In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get this free app from Flare to Developer, DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!